How to make money in Uganda. Are you a Ugandan looking for ways how you can make money? You are in the right place. There are plenty of ways how you can make money in Uganda. Money in Uganda is made in two main ways, which are, as a business owner and as an employee. As a business owner, you make money from your businesses where you exchange money for the products or services your business offers. As an employee, you make money from the salary you get from your boss. In addition to the two ways how you can make money in Uganda, there are majorly three fields in which most Ugandans make money. Number 1. Brick and mortar businesses. The first and big field is the brick and mortar business field. In this field, most Ugandans start their physical shops and sell directly to their customers. This is by far the easiest to start and the most common method of how people have made their money in Uganda. Most businesses started in this type of field include the following: boutiques, bars, hotels, retail shops, wholesale shops, and many others. For more profitable brick and mortar businesses you can start in Uganda, I have left a link in the description below. Number 2. Online businesses. The next fast-growing business field in Uganda is the online business field. This is still new in Uganda, but it is already rampant in Western countries. By online business field, we mean all the businesses that are run online. They don't have physical stores. Everything is done on the internet. Common examples of online businesses are e-commerce stores, like Jumia, Gigi, and many more. Drop shipping, affiliate marketing, social networking, online marketing, website design, and many others. For more profitable online business ideas you can start in Uganda, I have left a link in the description below. Number 3. Farming. Last but not least on how to make money in Uganda is farming. Farming is the backbone of Uganda. Farming is the third field in which money is made here in Uganda. According to Statista, agriculture contributes to 23.84% of the GDP of Uganda. Many Ugandans have made a fortune from trading in agricultural products. If you want a list of profitable agricultural businesses to start in Uganda, I have left a link in the description below. Those are ways how money is made in Uganda. What of the two main ways has touched you most? Let me know in the comments section below. If you find this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button now. Bye for now.